Thanksgiving, everyone. I'm Arlee. I am the kitchen manager here at the Good Earth Natural Foods Company. Our focus here is all around health, healthy mind, healthy body. Today we're making a poached pear for your Thanksgiving dinner. Come on in. So here we are in the Healthy Lifestyle Kitchen in the Good Earth. We make soups, smoothies, sides, and sauces that are all vegan, gluten-free. Today we're going to make a poached pear for Thanksgiving dinner. So we're going to start with pear. We're going to peel our pears. This is a Boss pear. You can use any pear you like. These ones tend to hold up better for poaching. They hold their firmness better. So we're just going to peel that real quick. You just want to get all the skin off so that you expose the flesh of the pear so that it'll pick up all the nice colors and flavors that we're going to be cooking. So once you have your clean pear, you're going to put it in the pot. And then we're going to use a nice deep red wine. If you don't drink alcohol, you can use a non-alcoholic. Either that or regular red wine is fine. Rule of thumb is if you're not going to drink it, don't use it. So you always want to make sure you're not using the cheapest wine you can find. Once we do that, we're going to add some star anise. Just 1 or 2 pieces, little stars. Give it a nice flavor. A little cinnamon. You can use sticks or chips, or if all you have in the house is powder, you can use powder. Some cloves. Just a few. If you like the flavor, you can always add more. If you don't like it, you can take it out. Peppercorns. Give it a little spice. And then a little nutmeg. A little nutmeg. You can use the fresh pods and grate those directly, or you can use powdered. Just a little bit. And then some fresh blackberries. If you like raspberries, you can use those. You can use frozen if that's all you have as well. So you pop those straight into the wine. And then you're going to turn on your stove. You want to bring it up to a boil and then turn it down to a real low heat so it'll just kind of simmer. If your poach isn't completely submerged, you're going to want to rotate it. Make sure you flip it so that the color gets everywhere. Takes about half hour or so to poach, and you can make one, you can make as many as you like. So while the pear is simmering, we'll get started on the sauce. Normally I would use a mascarpone cheese. It's kind of similar in texture to a cream cheese, a little softer. We are a vegan kitchen here, so we picked up a vegan cream cheese instead. You'll do a little bit of lemon. I like lemon zest at the microplane. And then you just grate that right into the cream cheese. And then a little bit of coconut sugar, or you can use regular sugar. And then date syrup will help add a little sweetness as well. So a little about me. I have a degree in culinary management from a school in California. I have been here at the Good Earth for about 2.5 months. Just trying to update all the recipes and make them simple, easy, and practical for people to make at home. These that we make here in the kitchen are here available in store. Soon I'm hoping to get them all put up on our website so that we can have that easily available for our customers. Ready. So you're going to want to, during the cooking process, unless your pear is completely submerged in wine, you're going to want to go through and just flip it over. That way you can get an even coating of poaching liquid. Once your pear's been cooked, you can go ahead and take it off the heat.
I'm trying to make a gluten-free hot dogs and like it.
And then you want to let it rest and cool. While you're doing that, you want to turn up the heat on your wine, and you're going to reduce that so it's almost a syrup. Depending on how much wine you have in the pot, the reduction process should take about 5 to 10 minutes. So once you've reduced your wine down to a syrup, you're going to want to strain it to get all of the chunks of stuff out. So you can just use your regular strainer, pour it straight out of the pot. And then you'll have a nice glossy syrup. So now we're going to go ahead and make the sauce, or the cream base that we're going to do. Normally it would be a mascarpone, since we are a vegan kitchen. We're going to go ahead and use a vegan cream cheese. If you're not vegan, you can use whatever regular cream cheese you like. We're going to go ahead and just put that into the bowl. You'll want to leave it out at room temperature for a few minutes to kind of let it thaw, get to room temperature so it's easier to work with. This is especially true if you use regular cream cheese and not vegan, as it tends to be a little thicker. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a lemon and microplane and zest the whole lemon skin into, so it'll give it a nice fresh citrus flavor. So once you get your lemon zested, you go ahead and mix all of the zest in. Then we're going to add a little bit of coconut sugar. You can adjust this as much or as little as you want, depending on how sweet you want it. Again, you're going to mix that in really well. The cream cheese, the coconut sugar, and then this date syrup that we use, you can get here in the store. Date syrup is going to add a little bit more sweet. The coconut sugar is not quite as sweet as regular sugar. So just to bump it up a little bit and get that extra sweetness without having to add a whole bunch of sugar. So you mix that up really good. Alright, so once you get it all nice and mixed, we can go ahead and start plating. So next we're going to go ahead and set up this dish. You'll take a little bit of the cream cheese mixture and put it at the bottom of your plate. If you want to get fancy and use a piping bag, you can do that. You can just use a spoon too. Then very carefully you're going to take your pear and put it right in the middle of the cheese so it stands up nice and pretty. And then the reserved sauce, you'll just pour it very nicely from the top and let it drizzle down the sides. You can stop there, or you can always just put a few extra little berries to make it pretty. So one thing I love about this dish is it's super simple, but it turns out very elegant looking. It's a perfect ending for your Thanksgiving meal, and it's something that isn't pumpkin or traditional.